Khan, the national spokesperson, is with us. तारिक भाई, गुड इवनिंग। कैसे देखते हैं नतीजों को और जिस तरह की प्रतिक्रिया आ रही है? कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं देखिए ईवीएम का दिक्कत है, चुनाव लेट अनाउंस हुए, ईसी ने गड़बड़ी की, बंदूक वाला वीडियो एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा।
No, I really want to congratulate the officers of these means constituencies who have with their big hand they have helped BJP, and really great congratulations to these officers who has worked as a BJP worker and helped BJP to win this seat which they have.
No, why are you saying that? Tariq Khan, why are you saying that? On what basis are you saying that?
I'm saying on the basis of election commission, on the basis of videos being floated in public domain, number one, and on the basis of the action taken by election commission. These are the two reasons why I am saying this, and really they should have been a medal should have been given to these officers, SP, DM, ADM, SDM, all these
as a government functionary.
All these officers should be avoided.
No, Tariq Khan, you know, every time you say this, Tariq भाई, सवाल आपसे पूछा जाएगा। अभी लोकसभा में आपको जो 30 से ज्यादा सीटें मिली, उसमें किसका हाथ था?
लोकसभा में जब 30 से ज्यादा सीटें दिखी थी तो आपको ऐसे वीडियो दिखे थे क्या कि पुलिस वाले लोगों को भगा रहे थे कि भाग जाओ, वोट नहीं?
वो पूरा वीडियो देखा है आपने?
वो वीडियो नहीं, ऐसे हजारों वीडियो हैं। अब मैं कहूँ आपके पर्सनल मोबाइल पे भेजूं क्या? हजार हैं, हजार।
नहीं, मुझे मत भेजिए, आप सोशल मीडिया पे लगा दीजिए। मुझे क्यों भेज रहे हैं? आप सोशल मीडिया पे लगाइए और वो बोलिए जो आप अभी चैनल पे कह रहे हैं। आप कह रहे हैं कि अधिकारियों की वजह से you are making a very serious charge. Sujata Pandey, this is a very serious charge. The Samajwadi Party national spokesperson is saying that this is not a victory of people or democracy. This is victory by cheating. The government machinery supported the BJP, which is why they won.
अभी तो सिर्फ इतना कहूंगी कि ये ऐसा हो गया है कि एक ही रोना कितनी बार रोए, अब तो आंसू भी नहीं निकलते। इतनी बार सुन चुके हैं हम, अब तो शायद ये नैरेटिव ही नहीं बन पाता। आप लोग जब ग्राउंड में जाते हैं तो आपको कोई भी जनता का एक व्यक्ति भी नहीं होता कि ईवीएम मैनेज, सिर्फ पार्टियों से, वैसी विपक्ष से ही नजर आती है। और ये सुनाई पड़ता है जहां वो हार जाते हैं, जहां जीत जाते हैं वहां पे ईवीएम रहता है, वहां पे लोकतंत्र मजबूत होता है, उनके नेता पॉपुलर होते हैं। तो ये अब नैरेटिव बहुत हो गया है। अब मुझे लगता है कि किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। लेकिन दूसरी बात जो है प्रणेश, वो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि इस चुनाव में, चाहे वो महाराष्ट्र का हो या फिर यूपी का, हर तरह के प्रपंच को अपनाया गया। आरएसएस को टारगेट किया गया, देवेंद्र फडणवीस की पत्नी तक को टारगेट किया गया। राहुल गांधी ने बड़े बड़े आरोप लगाए, गंदी भद्दी बिलो द बेल्ट बातें कही गई। लेकिन फिर क्या हुआ? आरएसएस ने प्रूव कर दिया। और मैं दो लाइंस कहना चाहूंगी कि दरिया का उफान नीचे चला गया, वो मुझे डुबाते रहे, मैं ऊपर उभरता रहा। यही होगा शायद देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने शायद यही कहा था कि मुझे पीछे जाते देख। यहाँ
लेट मी रिस्पॉन्ड।
बताइए, शेर का जवाब आप शेरो शायरी से ही दीजिए।
नहीं, शेरो शायरी नहीं करेंगे आज। मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आप जितना डुबाया गया आप उभर गए। वाह भाई, झारखंड में भी उभरे। मैं देख रहा हूं स्क्रीन पे, झारखंड में भाजपा की सरकार बन रही है।
नहीं तो तारिक भाई, अगर झारखंड में अगर आपके लॉजिक से जाए तो झारखंड में भी सरकारी कर्मचारी वो मदद कर देते।
नहीं, झारखंड के ऐसे वीडियो नहीं है भाई। देखिए, प्रामाणिकता बहुत जरूरी होती है और चुनाव आयोग और वो वीडियो प्रमाण देते हैं इस बात के। अब मैं कह रहा हूं 48 जगह बाई इलेक्शन हुए, 16-17 जगह ये और इनके सहयोगी लीड कर रहे हैं, बाकी जगह हार रहे हैं। वो भी सुनामी आई, मोदी जी का नाम चला। 3 टाइप के इलेक्शन थे, 2 स्टेट में और 1 बाई इलेक्शन। टोटल टैली कर लीजिए, आप स्टेट हार गए, एक छोटा बड़ा जो भी हो, और 48 में से 16-17 जगह आप लीड कर रहे हैं, बाकी जगह आप हार गए। ये आपकी टैली है। मगर फिर भी पिक्चर ऐसी बनाई जाएगी कि बहुत बड़ी विक्ट्री है।
तो अगर देखिए मैं तो बस इतना पूछ रहा हूं
बड़े भाई, 5 सेकंड और। आपको झारखंड की जीत के लिए बीजेपी को मुबारकबाद। झारखंड में 81 में से 90 सीटें भाजपा जीती। आप मुंबई जीते, बहुत, महाराष्ट्र जीते, बहुत अच्छी बात है। 48 बाई इलेक्शन में आप 100 सीटों पे जीत गए। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू बीजेपी एंड क्लैपिंग, वेरी गुड, यू हैव डन।
तारिक भाई, मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ा नंबर सिंक इन होने में समय लगेगा। डोंट बी सो बिटर, तारिक भाई, आप तो ऐसे है नहीं, आप पता नहीं क्यों आज नाराज है। और ये बोलना, देखिए आप बीजेपी को जो बोलना है बोल लीजिए। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कैन फाइट, but to blame the system, question the process, credibility of the democratic exercise is not right. Tariq bhai, let's not stoop so low. But JVC Sriram, You got the Maharashtra number spot on. I will not let you go before you shake a leg here. Idhar aap samne aa jaiye, please. Come here. Can we have some?
RSS was
Can we have some music?
RSS
Can we have some music?
Where we have a
Dhol Sasha, JVC Sriram.
Come on.
Lokesh, you'll have to concede.
I can't ask.
He
Lokesh
got
to
Maharashtra
celebrate.
right. Come, JVC, come here. Come here. Come
Shweta,
in
please
front.
come. Join.
Vikram, can we have some music, please, for JVC Sriram? Come. Come on, JVC, come on.
Not join. You can also join. No, Jharkhand.
Close up frame, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very good.
जय महाराष्ट्र।
Analysis was spot on.
ये अब तो तारिक खान और उनको बुरा लग जाएगा। तारिक खान तालियां बजा रहे, गुस्से में बजा रहे, ऐसे मत कीजिए तारिक भाई।
नहीं।
Nothing like that.
बोलिए तारिक भाई, बोलिए।
बजा रहे, गुस्से में बिल्कुल नहीं बजा रहे हैं। अगर somebody have its own analysis and that have got right, so it's a great thing. We should appreciate all these type of thing. That yes, somebody, but nobody have predicted these type of result in Maharashtra. Really good performance by Bharatiya Janata Party and Alliance. I really congratulate them. And it's also a win of democracy in Maharashtra, but not in Uttar Pradesh. I'll not say this, provided we have visuals and action of Election Commission. This must, I say, I'll congratulate democracy in Jharkhand, democracy in Maharashtra, but not in democracy in Uttar Pradesh. I'll not congratulate democracy in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Let's focus on the pictures at the moment. Sujata Pandey, let's talk to our viewers about what we're seeing. The Chief Minister there with the two Deputy Chief Ministers. I can also see Mr. Athawale there. So essentially, leaders of the Mahayuti there, now sitting there, smiles on their faces. Deliberating, perhaps, reflecting on the results of the campaign.
See the placement. I think the placement will tell you a lot about it.
No, so what are you suggesting?
I am suggesting that Devendra Fadnavis is the man of the moment. He should be the chief minister. He's the man who took all the blames after Lok Sabha debacle, and he's the man who has performed the best in the history, JVC, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just the best.
Yeah, the best in the history. So
Probably, sorry to interrupt you here.
Bhajapa's Karyakarta want it, RSS wants it, this man deserves it. As they say, it's worth it. Now if you don't get, I think ये राज धर्म नहीं होगा.
No, but
ये धर्म नहीं, ये alliance धर्म भी नहीं होगा.
But he may be destined for a bigger position in the BJP. I don't know.
Karyakartas Karyakartas will want Devendra Fadnavis because he was the face of BJP.
Definitely.
Kailash Adhikari, the next hurdle is who will be the chief minister. What do you think? What happens from here on?
Of course, the next big question is in front of Maharashtra, for the people of Maharashtra, also the political parties who won the Mahayuti, that who will be the chief minister. Looking at the numbers of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the landslide victory that it has got alone, which is a 131 seat, I think a strike rate of close to 88 or 90%. Devendra Fadnavis is no doubt the first choice and the right choice for the chief ministerial post. And also during his tenure as a chief minister from 2014 to 2019, the party has and the Karyakartas have looked up to him. And this time around also, the way he has turned around after the Lok Sabha election, first he took the moral responsibility of it, and now he has taken the responsibility and delivered of changing the mandate within 6 months. So naturally, all appreciation is for Devendra Fadnavis and the way he has led the entire campaign.
No, Sujata Pandey was referring to an old clip, a speech of Devendra Fadnavis. What is it, Sujata Pandey?
I think it's apt that we play this. And this.
पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना. मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना. मैं समंदर हूँ लौट कर वापस आऊंगा.
And he proved it. So I think he deserves all the applause.
No, but he was asked a question. Lokesh, he was asked a question. He said, we will have a meeting, sit together. That's for, the party high command to decide, the elected MLAs to decide. So, what comes through is out and out humility.
Of course.
Yes, I think Fadnavis as literally, as far as Maharashtra politics is concerned, Sharad Pawar ji was miles ahead of others in terms of strategy and thinking. In this election, Fadnavis literally outsmarsted him with all the moves.
He's the real Chanakya of Maharashtra politics.
Yeah.
And also, Parmesh, just 1 second. He may be the future PM. Maharashtra has never had a PM face. You never know that after Yogi, he may be the next
I
in
want to make
line.
a very important point
And,
here.
and he's
Pranesh.
close to PM, he's close to RSS,
I
a rare
think all,
combination.
you know, look
I want to
at,
make one important
look at
point,
these live
Pranesh.
pictures, JVC. Just a moment. All the leaders of the Mahayuti there, Eknath Shinde, the chief minister, the two deputy chief ministers, also Praful Patel, Mr. Bavan Kule, the state BJP president, all there, set to address the media. This will be the joint press conference, and I'm sure they will also take questions. All smiles at the moment, you know, sweets being given. Look at this picture. Ek hai, to safe hai. This picture sums it up.
But I want to say two things. One, I'm looking at eagerly in terms of whether BJP is going to touch 1.5 crores on its own, because it had not got that even in 2014 Lok Sabha election and 2019 Lok Sabha election. And more importantly, my mind goes back to 2019. After winning a mandate, showing Mr. Modi ji's face and Devendra Fadnavis' face, what did Uddhav Thackeray do?
He did not take his calls.
He was a traitor. He didn't take calls.
And Maharashtra has
today,
given- yeah.
Maharashtra people
Has
have
replied back.
given him an answer and told him where he belongs to.
And Gaddar
You
kaun
cannot
hai?
do this.
And Gaddar kaun hai is proven today.
No.
You cannot do this, Uddhavji.
In fact-
And people have shown to you where you are and where your party is.